Hi everyone, welcome to AKRI Technology. I am Ajit Kumar Roy, a 14 years of experience in software industry. I mostly worked on cloud technologies, AI tools, and data analytic platforms. Today I am going to give a session on GitHub Copilot chart inside a Visual Studio Code. And this is the first level where we can start a journey of GitHub Copilot 300 certification. So if you move into the Visual Studio Code, there you can see toggle message, and this is one of the famous developer tool editor where developer will work on. When we toggle the chart, here we can see all the chart history, and as well as we can give you the prompt what we want to do. Here you can see three type of modes. One is agent, ask mode, and plan mode. We will discuss more detail in going forward videos. Today we are working on agent mode. In agent mode, we need to give a prompt what we want to develop as part of our requirement. As part of this session, I'm simply creating a weather forecast web API using C# code. So I'm giving that prompt in the chat window. So here the prompt engineer will play prompt engineer techniques will help you for a better response. So giving a proper prompt is also important to get the exact and expected result from the GitHub Copilot. Now if you see, I have given a simple prompt, that is develop a weather forecast by using a C# and it is a ASP.NET, and also I need a Swagger endpoint documentation purpose. And it started analyzing that prompt and it is generating all the required details and it is asking for the package installation. So I'm allowing that packages and it will start analyzing is there any .NET framework is missing, and if it is missing, it will try to install that framework details. See, it is still analyzing it and it is trying to build, and if there is any issues and it will reinstall every packages, and it is an iterative manner, it will check all the information. And if you see some of the packages are missed, it is asking the permission, we are allowing it. So it is going to iterative manner until it get the expected output. Still it is analyzing it. So here where the excellent prompt skills will be useful to get the expected output. See, it is again got the error. So it is trying to build it again. It will try to resolve all the issues. Once it is resolved all the issues, it will run the application up and running, and it will give you the Swagger endpoint also. So still it is analyzing it. It is trying to find some issues and it is trying to build again. So if you see, we are trying to give the permission to the whole folder level, and see it is building it, packaging it, and trying to rebuild again. Now it seems it is running. It installed all the packages related to this .NET framework. See, now if you see the solution, here everything is got generated by our peer AI programmer, that is a GitHub Copilot. So that's the reason GitHub Copilot will be called as a AI peer programmer for the developer. See, now everything is successful. Now even the Swagger endpoint is available to view. Now if I see this, so the Swagger endpoint is up and running. If I copy this endpoint, if I go to the browser, see the API is up and running. Now this is where our AI peer programmer developed an web API with less time, with more efficiently. When we give the proper prompt, it will even generate more endpoints, which is required by our project requirements. So this is about the response related to this API. So how we are using this Copilot in the Visual Studio Code. This is today's session. Hope you enjoyed.